Jemba, everybody wants Jaga. Everybody Biafrans Jaga. All the people that are going to Chineke, Obagara the people who Chineke na people. Ultimately, what you tell me is that this name. I'm around the Chineke. Everybody turn your head. What they will do? You go buy some on none of them. You go buy some none of them of Biafra Chineke people. Now that they are Papa. People, what run your mouth out of them? What run your mouth? What run your mouth? People, what run your baby? Everybody carry on. Everybody are gamba. Everybody are simple. Everybody are bamboo. Everybody are big bull. Everybody are big bull. Even they are Chineke. Obviously, the kind of oh yes, the people that know to teach you everywhere, Mazin and the common children, obviously back I know Chineke. Ebuba into Mazin and the Catalan, Chineke, and back I know your boom not Chineke, and your man then the children, Yanya Bubanda, Chineke. Ebuba into Simon, I can't talk about Chineke, Yanya Bubanda. Nani what I hear and then go to Chineke and people what running more Gavata, what running more Gambasas, what running more Gale running to Chineke and people, yes, what running, what running Marabe, what running the what running from a metal for 1 year Chineke, because what running every them up at the French, you got about with Chineke. Other people have been about one of people. I know, because I'm an apple. I find it now. The father of Johnny Dog, people, open dog, and the mother of Chineke. nyere ụmụ Biafra ego, nyere ndị Igbo ebere biko, nyewe amamife Chineke, nyewe amamife, nyewe igirigi nke si n'eluigwe Chineke biko gị, biko gị, biko biko gị Chineke, ọ bụ ka anyị na-arịọ biko gị. Amamife ka anyị chọrọ, nghọta ka anyị chọrọ Chineke biko gị, n'etiti ụmụ Igbo, etiti ụmụ Biafra Chineke biko gị, biko gị, biko gị. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of you, and depends where you are getting our videos from. From me, from here is good night. Sorry, today it was a lot of busy day, but it's okay. I say I must come here where we worship, at least to tell our people something. We need to hear something from the gospel of truth. Today, I welcome you, men and women. I welcome you, freedom lovers of freedom. I welcome you among all good people. Good people, I welcome you all. People with honest and the truth, I welcome you all. People that stand for freedom, that stand for equity and the justice, and stand for fairness, I welcome you all. This night, please, as you are getting our videos, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, share our videos to every other platform, and join us on this platform. As you are doing so, I say may God bless you. People that is turning up, subscribing to this channel, helping this channel to grow up this channel, I say Chukwu okike abịama, ebube mba niile ya gọzie gị. Chukwu okike abịama gọzie gị. People that is about to come to subscribe to this channel, I say may God Almighty Chukwu okike abịama ya gọzie gị. Ebube mba niile asị m ya gọzie gị. N'ife ọbụla ị na-eme, ife ọbụla nke unu metụrụ aka, asị m ya bụrụ ngọzi, bụrụ mmaji na mmaji n'aha Chukwu okike abịama. Ise. Let's move very fast because of let's not waste too much time. Today, we are going to discuss what we are going to talk about. That is why I play this music. We are going to discuss about unity of Igbos and the Biafran so that we can able to defend our land. Without unity, there is nothing you are doing on this planet that will work. Just like in a family. If there is no unity in any family, that family cannot progress. The same thing in this our struggle. In this struggle, we are like, that is why our leader said IPOB, one family. We are one family. So if you understand that we are one family, that is why our leader, Mazen Namduku Kanu, said that here in Radio Biafra, those days when Radio Biafra was Radio Biafra, that's what I'm saying. Our leader said when Radio Biafra was Radio Biafra, he said that here is where we worship. That our religion, if somebody asks you what is our religion, that our religion is what? Biafra is our religion. That is what our leader teaches us. And our leader, Mazen Namduku Kalu, the supreme leader of this movement, led this movement. He said that this movement will be whiter than white and whiter than snow. You now ask him, why did he say that? When he said that, he has seen something invisible that you that have ordinary eyes cannot see before he laid that foundation. And he laid this foundation when he opened IPOB. Then, when our leader was with us, so I'm talking about, So when he laid this foundation of IPOB, he laid the foundation with the truth and the honest. He said that for we to able to conquer our enemy, for we to able to challenge our enemy, we have to use truth. That the weapon we have is to use truth to dismay our enemy. We will use truth and honest to rubbish our enemy. That was the foundation that Mazen Namduku Kanu was going on. That is why you see he was getting magnificent result. He was getting, in fact, the result was overwhelmed that Mazen Namduku got because of people see him. There is honest in him. There is truth in him. You understand? So, and this man is doing all these things. Up to today, me and you is standing here. This man is in DSS dungeon, languishing because of what? The foundation he laid this foundation with the truth and the honest. That he will bet anything with it. He bet his life on this movement. For people to know how serious this movement is, and how serious is for you to get your freedom. How serious for you to live in a freedom, to live in freedom life, to see what freedom is all about. That is why you see him, that is why you see him, he have a lot of followers, because of he speak the truth and he live by example. You understand what I'm trying to say? That is our leader for you. That is why he's still standing on DSS dungeon and he's still sending the strong message in that kangaroo court. Tell you that what he agitates is for Biafra, and the Biafra is what he will get. Upon in the hand of his enemy, upon in the hand of death, he still stand where he stand. He say he will never shake, he will never move. That he stand where he stand. Gidibam. That is a man. This is a man. When man speak, you know that men have speak. Men with honor, men with integrity, men with trust. That is when they speak, you see them, they have power. That is igirigi aine kumake. That is why it will fear ebube they are narrow. That is why I play this music. Ebube. The mazen nanduku kano narrow. Because of me, I remember in those days when what did you call it? Father Mbaka Netiegu. Okoro ebube nigwe. You know, when he sang that music, you know that ebube is also mbe nwachukwu mbibi dro na-eme mma na ike na ebube sogo. Mgbe ọbụla ị na-eme mma na ife ọbụla ị na-eme iji eziokwu na eziokwu wit aka kwụwa aka gị ọcha, kwụwa obi gị ọcha na-eme, ike na ebube ga-eso onye ahụ. Because of that is why our leader told you that what we are doing is a spiritual thing, not be more. Because of when you hear about it more, when you are dealing with the spiritual people, spiritual things that you know that is beyond human, you have to use honest and the truth, so that the God Almighty Chukwu okike abịa ma nke amana na abụ na akpụ isi ana na-enye anyị na-efe mgbe niile. Anyị si na ọ bụ ebe a ka anyị ga ebe a ka our Maazị Nnamdi Ugwu Kanu, our supreme leader, anchor this struggle, anchor this movement. All saying na ya no na ibini akpa abịa. No, that he doesn't believe in Ibn Abad, that he believes in Chukwu okike obiama, he believes in the Jehovah Jireh, Chineke mbegbo, ndị gboo na-etu ebighị ebi. No be ebe ya mgbakwasara mgbakwosu ụkwụ ya, no be ebe ahụ okwukwe ya ndụ, and no be ebe ahụ olileanya ya ndụ. This man stand firm and stand with truth and honest. That is why you see him is in the DSS dungeon. They are perishing there. But him know that at the end, that joy will come. But why? What I'm now imagining, because of this man is now giving more upon more that he have given. He have given a lot, but people outside here don't want to recognize this good work that this honest man, Maazị Nnamdi Ugwu Kanu, the supreme leader of this movement, have done in this movement. And followed by our PM, Prime Minister, the same thing they do to him, the same thing. Because of, you see, when PM come, mbebube, nsi Maazị Nnamdi Ugwu Kanu na-arụ, mbatara ya na-arụ. Asị na mgbe ibidoro na-eme mma, ike na ebube ga-esogo. Mgbe ị na-ekwu okwu Chukwu, mgbe ị na-ekwuwara aka gị ọtọ, ike na ebube ga-esogo. Isi ugwu pụọ, ugwu apụọrọ maka gịnị? Na ịnọdụgo n'ime mmụọ, kwuru n'eziokwu, kwuru n'obi ọcha gị, kwuru n'aka ọcha, nke bụ nke ọ bụla akpọrọ gị oku, onye ime eluigwe ga-aza ha. If we fear our people, why is very hard to our people to understand all these things? That this man, Maazị Simon Ekpa Njoko, our prime minister, who is languishing there in a it's only God that knows where this Finland government kept this man. I can't say. Me, I'm an ordinary human being, I can't say. It's only Finland government can come out and tell us we Biafrans and we Igbos. Because of me, I can't say. Because of I don't know what is going on. But what I only ask for the God Almighty, Chukwu okike abịa ma nke m na-efe, nke m na-eme mkpọkwuo, onwe mgbe mkpọrịala ọnụ ha aza m. Asị m ya biko ya letere m Maazị Simon Ekpa anya, ya letere m awa supreme leader anya, ebe ọbụla ha nọ. Chineke, ana m asị gị chekwe ha ka ọkụkọ nsị ekpuchite ụmụ ya, kpuchite ha, mechiere ha anya ndị iro agaghị afụkwa ha ma ọlị. Ọ bụkwa ebe ekpere m na ndị a ka afụfụ a niile ha ntara nhapụ ebu ife nlara n'iyi. Chineke ekwene, onye ime n'igwe asị m ga-ekwekwene ka afụfụ a because of na ndị iro agba na okirikiri ha si from n'ọnụ ndị iche iche na-arịpụtasị ife niile ha na-fight bụ ka afụ na this struggle na bring it to the end. That is their only aim. They don't want to care what the governors are doing, who is in publishing their life. Now, if there is no unity in the house, the enemy, this is an advantage for enemy to come in. You know that if there is no vacuum, if there is no confusion, enemy cannot penetrate. But for example, di na nwaanyị nwere okwu na okwu ha ga-emeziri onwe ha n'ime ụlọ, onye ọbụla agakwa na onweghị ife na-emenụ. Ị na-aghọta? Mgbe ị gazi ga akpọta onye ama, ọkpọta onye nke ọzọ si abịa kpaba etinyere unu ọnụ n'okwu a. Mgbe ahụ ọbịa ga-etinyere unu ọnụ n'okwu a, okwu a pụọ n'iro. That matter have gone out. And now, ndị nkwado bụrụ ịchịga ọchị, ndị na-akwado n'ịchị onwe ha ọchị na-abụghị anyị nwa mbụ ụmụ Chineke, na-abụghị anyị nwa mbụ ụmụ Igbo Chineke ngọziri, na-abụghị anyị nwa mbụ ụmụ Biafra ndị ga-eji eziokwu na-eso Izrel, na-eso onye Maazị Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu since o bidoro na-eso ewute eziokwu na ife ọma ọ na-eme. Na ọ bụghị anyị ihere agaghị eme anyị maka ndị mkpere na Chukwu. Jehova si anyị na onye ọbụla nke mkpere na ya na ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mme ha, and na ọ gaghị ararịpụ anyị ma ọlị, na ọ gaghị aralịpụ anyị ma ọlị. Ebe ahụ ka m kwenyere, ebe ahụ ka my supreme leader Maazị Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu kwenyere, ebe ahụ ka Maazị Simon Ekpa kwenyere. Chineke agaghị ararịpụ anyị as far as na anyị kwenyere n'okwu ọnụ ya, mara na ka ọ na-esi ike ka ọ na-ebi. But now, the same thing during the time of DOS is about to happen in this day. But because of anyama what is going on, what is going on, nobody knows. But we say that the only God Almighty, because of if even name na Igbo kita, if soro udo na akpazi mkpamkpa, if ụzọ ka ka ifunu na akpa nke Imo State, hope ụzọ dị mma na akpa mkpamkpa, all these governors na akpazi mkpamkpa ndị egwu now, ha tụtụrụ n'ụmụazị banye egbuchiche n'ụmụazị Igbo. A na-akpa mkpamkpa, cheregodu ka mkpọrụ n'ofu ife nne-emenu na Anambra State. So mgbe our leader nọ here, for you to know that when you are doing something good, that is when enemy come after you. Because of they know that this, our leader, let me tell you the trick these people use here. They know that our leader, imanasi na ndị Igbo enweghị eze na Igbo enweghị eze. Ina o nwere ife ndị oyibo say that this an error. This is an error. This error that our leader have corrected this error. They saw that this man have corrected the error the time he raised Eastern Security Network. They know that this man is really serious. That is not only talk, that is talk and do. That is why they're now running up and down, using those people that is very close to him, that he call his DOS and all the rest of them, to use him, and with a G4, his lawyer, to use him and get him with the politicians who were looking for him in Biaka. You know, it was a great opportunity. They now collude with ego bribery. Ego. Just the same word that our leader, the last word they dropped to us before we did this, it wasn't with us again. He said that Nigerian government had bring out heavy money, over $400 million to buy anything buyable, buy anybody. But at the end, that the people that were called, they were choosing before they were born, that the message is for them. At the end, victory will be yours. Because of there is not, why am I saying this? Because of there is nothing you are doing in this life without having boot on the ground that is ready, that is loyal, that is honest and the truth. That is how you can get this game, this thing done. But ịnọdụkwa these people with this mentality of that's their home mentality, ha jụrụ nọ n'uhu there, achọrọ obere ego, onye na-afụbeghị maybe million sịkwa na asọ achọrọ ya ego, he start running up and down doing nonsense, chefuo na ọ na-emegidekwa onwe ya. That is the thing. But even na Jejubu, these people na sabotage, name all these things that is going on. Will these people wake up one day, ask themselves simple question? This Hausa tribe, where are this Hausa tribe? You only hear this Hausa in language, but where are the people? Is that the way unu chọrọ ka ndị Igbo nsi were gaa ka na-asụsụ asụsụ Igbo sọsọ, but ị gaghị afụzi the people? This is what is about to happen. Mụ na-achịkọta ha ma ehu ma ọkụkọ ejighị n'oge na chịkọtawa onwe ya ọnụ. Nwanne mmiri ya na-erunu n'igwe, ọ ga-ama ehu ma nna ya ukwu. Ọ bụ ya bụ otu o sikwere Chineke. Watch ife Soludo na-eme here na Anambra State. You know why I showed this video? This video remember me something. I remember in those days, when you want to come in a place, you see that when we are small, because of as a senior, if you want to come and do something, you remember that these people that you want to go and do something, that their father is there or their senior brother is there. You will not do anything. You will not take caution. You will not say, oh, let me not do this, so because of his father or his senior brother is there, so that I will not get revenge. I will not get revenge. They will not beat me back. For example, now, why am I saying this? Soludo and all these your Southeast governors, political elites, have taken away the only person that the people that they know that they are challenging them by word, by doing, by physical, and by word are our leader, Mazen Namdugu Kano and Simon Ekpa. These two people are the only people. That is now why you can see now they are now parading different kind of outfit. They are bringing out every day, arming them. Each senators now have his own armed group. Everybody have his own armed group. Why? Other people, and the worst part is, who are they working for? They are doing this for their slave masters. Fulani. Fulani is what all these people, your governors, are doing. Wait, let me show you another video here. You see how they are destroyed. If you will see them, they are using your own people and the people that Asare Dokubo brought. They are using them to destroy your labor, which is when our leader was here. They can't cough. When Master Simon Ekpa not here, these kind of things you are seeing now, you can't see them. When you see this was during the time our leader was arrested newly. They started buying the Eastern Security Network. They started illuminating them, disappearing them. That is when you see a lot of, that is why you see them that time, what did they call them? Ebubago can go to Imo State, go to where they are doing wedding, and they slaughter the whole people, slaughter people that came to marriage. during that period. The same thing is calling now. But I know my I say God, Gent now. Let me show you another thing. Listen here. You people know this. Connected to the power that be. Your governors are there penetrating evil against their own people. When I'm telling you people that your governors, your political elite are the problem of the insecurity in self. You'll be thinking that any identity, because of when you see them, then we go now and see one or two people, then we buy them. When our leader was out, you know that was what they are doing. They are saying, oh, Eastern Security Network, your armed group are now. It was you people you call your political elite with their armed group are doing that in secretly. The same thing can do to Mazi Simon, Ekpa and Joko. Now, listen here. You people know this man. You know, everybody know him. That is a Reverend Father. This man was part of the people, Ebube Monso. He was part of the people who doesn't like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These are the people, they are part of the people who is against this movement. But listen here. What he's saying here, listen. Now the suspects who were apprehended for the death of Honorable Azoka from Labour Party. He's not from Apuga. He was not from Apuga, but Labour Party. The suspects were apprehended. We are handed over to Anambra State Security Police. How come that two of them escaped from the prison? Can you imagine? Only two of them. Who is deceiving who? Anambra State should rise. That means it has a what? That was a political killing. And those involved, they have bribed their way. Because those people, they wouldn't want those people to expose them. Who is fooling who in this thing? You can imagine. Two suspects, two major suspects. And there is... Wait, let me tell this man something that is parading his mouth. If let's say now that our leader is still outside, then we say this man now you see here, he will not go direct now and say it the way he was saying it here now. That is political killing. He will not go direct. They're saying that is political quiet. He will not go direct like that. He will be telling you, oh, it's all this IPOB, Eastern Security. That is how they will turn the narrative for people to hate their own freedom. Now, our leader is not there. Prime Minister is not there. Now, ikuku ekuone ka na-afụ akpotune ọkụkọ anya. You know why I'm doing this? Remember what our leader said. He said that time will come. People will shout this Biafra more than him. Listen here. Listen. Oh, God. Still, government in the states. The humanity of man to man. Once you are connected to the powers that be, then you are under perpetual immunity. But let even Charles Rudo remember that there is God. In anything you are doing in this world, there is God. Santu says, him who sits in the heaven last. How come two suspects who were arrested, who were linked to the killing of innocent man, Honorable Azoka from Onitsha, let the people of Onitsha do arise? What really happened? A whole Onitsha. An honorable member from Onitsha was killed. I say, keep quiet. I don't want to continue with that destiny he's saying there. Because of an honorable Azoka, a political party, one person we are by. Is now calling Onitsha people to rise up. Betting In that the same place, oh, Sorudo have been slaughtering people. Oh, this man didn't say nothing. This Ebubemonso didn't say nothing. Many lives have been wired there by Sorudo with his outfit. This man didn't say nothing. You understand? He didn't say nothing. He only speaks something, the one that reached to him. Maybe this person, this political person now that he's talking about, that woman now she's talking about now. Maybe he's getting pride from that one. So ordinary common person like me and you, it doesn't care if you die. You see the kind of people you have, the kind of religious leaders you have. Now he's now having the voice to advocate for a political woman that was spied by his opposition. The people that is causing insecurity in our land. The same people causing insecurity, they will now be pointing another person. The same set of people that cause insecurity. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not there. Mazi Simon Ekpa is not there. Now, who is now doing this worst that is happening in Igbo? I am telling Igbo people, please, as you are getting this video, do us a favor, subscribe to this channel. As you subscribe to this channel, share our video to every other platform. Join us on this platform. Please, if you watch the video, just do us a favor. Press the subscribe button. It doesn't take anything from you. I say, as you are doing that, I say, may God bless you. And you are helping us to continue this work. We will have to, I have volunteered myself to work for Biafran people, to work for the Igbos. Because I'm Igbo first before Biafran. Because we, the Igbos, are the ones suffering everything. Everything. Now, look at what is going on in Igbo. Look at what is happening in Igbo. I have many videos here to show you. Wait, let me show you another one before we call it a day. I don't want to listen to this man again. Let me show you another thing. Watch. I hope you people can see it because of the screen. Those things those boys you are seeing there, they are all armed, destroying people's shop, destroying their own flesh and the blood properties. Let me place it a little bit before I call it. Look at them there with arms. You see them? That is the thing that is happening in Anambra State. Terrorists that your own governor brought to come and destroy your own life, to destroy other people's life, what they are using to get their daily bread. Destroy their market. So when you are destroying their daily bread now, what do you want those people to do? That is the kind, for you to know that these people, they don't think anything good for you. They only think hardship on top of hardship, hardship on top of hardship, until one day you give up the way Hausa people give up. I'm telling our youth who is doing this job with them, I am calling them, the earlier you realize it is better. Let's join hands together, defend this land that God has given to us. Leave selfishness. United we stand, Biafrans. Separate we fall. Remember, na azịza azịza nnọdụ n'ukwu ọ dịghị ekwe mgbachi, bet iwepụtawe ya ofu ọ dịghị okwe mgbachi. Ka anyị chịkọ na aka ọnụ chụọ na ife na-achụ anyị, were ụtụtụ chụọ ewu ojii. Ana m ekwu ihe, mmiri na-ezo, anyị Igbo na-aga, ndị na-ehepụkwana ha na-eme this thing are your governors, your senators, your political elite. From me, from here is good night.